In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a second pipeline in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. If you're expanding your sales process or want a separate track for a new product, region, or team, creating a second pipeline keeps everything organized and easy to manage. I'll walk you through it step by step and share a few quick tips along the way so you feel confident setting it up. Start inside your Pipedrive account and head to the Deals section on the left sidebar. This is the central place where all your opportunities live, so it's the best starting point for building or switching between pipelines. Once you're in Deals, look toward the top right for the pipeline dropdown. This menu shows your current pipeline, and if you've already created more than one, it's also where you can switch between them with a single click. It's a good idea to glance at which pipeline is currently selected, just so you know where you are before making changes. Next, choose the option to create a new pipeline. Click New Pipeline, and you'll be taken straight into the edit mode for that fresh pipeline. This is where the customization happens. Give your pipeline a clear, descriptive name that reflects its purpose, like the product line, sales motion, or territory it supports. Then review the stages. You can add, rename, or reorder stages so they match the real steps your deals naturally move through. Keep your stage names simple and action-oriented, and try to avoid creating too many. Clarity beats complexity. If you're mirroring an existing process, align the stage order so your team doesn't have to relearn the flow. If this pipeline serves a different process, make sure the stages reflect that difference so reporting stays meaningful. While you're customizing, think about the handoffs between stages and what needs to be true before a deal moves forward. A little structure here reduces confusion later. You can always refine the stages over time, so don't worry about making everything perfect on the first pass. When you're happy with the setup, click Save to lock in your changes. That's it. Your second pipeline is now ready to use, and you can switch to it anytime from the same pipeline dropdown at the top right in Deals. If you don't see the option to create a new pipeline, check that you have the necessary permissions or reach out to your account admin. Quick recap: open Deals, use the pipeline dropdown, create a new pipeline, customize it in edit mode, and save. You're all set.